So you can see that our code shows that we have the variable r, which is random, and the low is -100, the high is 100. Then we have texting analysis of as the quote plus the number, which we have the variable the number equals r, which is being controlled by random, so it's whatever random chooses to use. And then we have text, it's positive, it's negative, and it's 0, and they all go in different spots. And we have rectangle. We have rectangles inside of if statements. So we have random. So whenever we press restart, and there's no draw function here, but anyway, whenever we press restart, random chooses a different number. And let's say that chooses 58.499975595 623. That's above 0. So then the number is greater than 0, what is true in this if statement right here. So it'll draw this rectangle. Now let's do else. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So let's see, nice. You already know how to use else. If else. For this challenge, however, you can do with just if else. If or else. Okay, see? You don't need to do it, but I already know else. Else, you don't even need a condition. This would be if the number is greater than 0, draw that rectangle. Else, but if not, draw this rectangle. And if that's not true, then draw this rectangle. So we keep pressing restart, and it draws it around other stuff. It's not drawing 0. It's only... Now let's make this one between -1 and 0. Now let's go over here and do... See? There we go. Back over here. And we could also do... or 0. So you can see how all this different stuff works, and you can have fun with seeing what number it is, but really there's not really a point in doing this, because you can't, because you already know if it's 0, if it's positive or negative, but you can use or to make it if you really just want it to box 0. a 10% chance of it boxing 0. So then you can, like, it actually just boxed. It literally said 0, but I hit restart so fast that it couldn't. And when it said 0, it did a decimal. So, take away negative and replace it with nothing. So just an analysis of 100 between minus. I don't tell me to do anything. Okay, so you can go ahead and change variables using a lot of different things. Now, it's saying that because it's going to say that R is not defined, but it now is. So let's do var t equals 1 equals 1 negative 100 and semicolon. And you can put t right here. And now it does that because I used and. If we highlight this, can make it go or. Now we probably just want to do R and then erase that variable and go over here and go down there. So yeah, this is your analysis chart, and yeah, if you want to try this on your own, doing all of this coding and programming, you can. And also, there's a link in the description to this website, and also you can just keep, like, there's also if you subscribe, if I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll do. If I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do
Giselle.
an HTML and CSS video and more making web pages. And then if I get to 1 million subscribers, I will make my own web page. So guys, just have fun and go in with your stuff. Now, I'm not done yet. Hall equals, and let's hit restart. See, I put a draw function in there. And I can highlight this tab. Okay.
Did you look at the bookshelf?
Control X V. Let's go up here. X. V.
Hey, Colton.
What?
You need to wrap that up and get dressed.
We're gonna go to the store on Fort Avenue to see if they can eggs. Do you want to come?
That draw function's not going to work, so let's just go.